Well, I'm at my brother's place and it looks like I see a ream over there. Or a rude.
Rude. It's a rude.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
I'll be damned. It's a rude. See if I can find any more. Oh, there's another one right there.
Right there.
Yeah, I see it. So I think that's what you guys got. Those are all heat pumps. Yeah, that root is a heat pump. Let's see if I can get one over here. I gotta get on this side because I won't be able to get that shot. Nope. Wow. I wonder what that unit is right there. A lot of these units have been changed. Holy cow. That is just crazy. I know for a fact these are all heat pumps. But wait, what are these up here? Are those... Let me see what those are. I think those are like little pipes. No. I don't know. There's something, but... Wow. That is incredible. Seems like that ream over there is doing good. Yeah, a lot of these units are switched out. That's that could be one reason why. Free space. I do not see. There's a unit right there. Oh, okay, yeah, sorry for the shakiness, guys, but let me zoom out of here. I know for a fact there's more over there, but I'm not gonna walk over there. It's too damn hot. It's 108 degrees over here. Alright, over and out. Figured I'd come out here and get some more AC footage. There's some older brands here. These are all old. They look like they're carriers or something, just by the look of it. And these are all at my brother's apartments. It's like a Rude. Another Rude. Wow. Let's go over here. Sorry for the zooming in and out, guys. I'm just in that mood. Look at that. See, look, there's more. There's more right there. There's two more over there. Two more right there. That's a pipe. Oh crap, what is that one? Look at that, that's a Rude. Dude, that looks like a god. That is just awesome. See such a unit. Dude. Let me see. Whoops, sorry guys. Let's see if there's, oh yep, there's another one. Looks like those are. Oh, I don't want to get that low. Okay, that right there, just by the way how that looks like it's a Goodman or something. Yeah, that's amazing. Oh shoot, some stairs right there. gonna see if I walk off, it's gonna get way. Whoops. All right, let's go.